Hi, this is David Ruben from Ruben Law Firm. Every day we get calls from prospective clients or people just asking questions about the process of divorce. More and more, because people are permitted to get divorced while they're still living together, people are calling in advance of separation and they're wondering what the best route to take is. More and more often, I'm suggesting to people to go to mediation even before they hire an attorney. Why would I do that? Doesn't that seem to be against my own interest? Because the way my firm earns money is to represent people and charge retainers. But when people call and they're at the place where they really don't know what to do and they're just trying to speak with their spouse or communicate and reach an agreement, and they're not sure how to approach it, I often say, well, have you been able to talk to your spouse and try to resolve the issues? Have you specifically talked about custody issues or property issues or alimony? And they say, well, yes, a little bit, but we're not sure what to do about it. Can I come in and retain you and you can help me? And many times I say no, and I'll tell you why. I say no because you're not quite at that point where once you hire an attorney, now, if you're at a difficult situation and there's an emergency situation going on, or you're absolutely done, or you've tried mediation, but a lot of times when people call me, they are at that place where they can still work it out, not get back together, but work out the terms and conditions of their separation. And if you come to an attorney and you pay money and we send out a letter, your spouse is going to see that as an aggressive move. They're going to take it to an attorney. And once two attorneys get involved, by definition, we are advocates and we usually push things the wrong way. We try not to, but we're paid to be your advocate. So what I recommend to people is, why don't you go to a mediator? People say, what does mediation mean? Well, it's an attorney, generally, who is not going to be your attorney if this case goes to court, but it's an attorney who has experience litigating cases, understands what judges do, and also has experience and training in mediation to sit down with both of you in the same room and discuss the issues and help you reach an agreement without getting attorneys involved. Now, if you do reach an agreement in mediation, that's a great thing, and then you can have an attorney review it, and that's when I would come in, but sometimes you don't even need to do that. If mediation doesn't work, or if you don't want to go to mediation, then you come to us. Or if you want to have a free consultation with us, a lot of times I'll talk to you for a half hour, 45 minutes, send you to a mediator, and if your spouse agrees, that's a great thing because it's so much cheaper, it's so much better, it's usually a better situation for your kids. But if it doesn't work, that's when you come to an attorney like me or my firm, and we help and advocate for you and push the issue. Give us a call anytime for a free consultation on any of these issues.